I've just chatted on my chat box. My daughter is 12 years old. She was
Okay.
diagnosed type 1 about 6 months back in the month of February. And she was diagnosed her HB1 levels of about 10.4.
ठीक है.
Treatment for insulin at the moment. And her levels have come down to 6.5 recently, about a couple of months back was tested. And her
ठीक है.
C-peptide levels about 0.38. So,
Okay.
and currently, apart from this insulin, we are also doing a low carb diet and a bit of yoga has been doing. And we are based in Dubai. We are far away outside the country.
Right.
So we
Yeah,
would
yeah.
like to understand what is the method, as you explained, as a combination of various which can be diagnosed. If you could give us a little more brief in terms of
So
what
Sudhakar, see, supplements you can get on Amazon. So my patients in Dubai don't find it difficult to get it. Blood test is something which you will have to figure out how you will get them done there.
that's
Or
fair enough that we can do it.
Right. So other than that, everything patients are able to manage. I have some other patients also who are in Dubai, and you can arrange for everything there.
can we also get courier it to them?
We courier it, or somebody is going taking themselves get it arranged. But otherwise Amazon पे मिलता है हम जो भी लिखते हैं.
So
So
looking at
that
our current condition, what do you think as the chances of uh, coming out of the type 1 and insulin free?
Hello.
see, stop.
Hello.
We will only know once we start working.
Okay.
क्योंकि ना जब when we will take history, we will get to know what is the reason. Also, when we will start supplements and protocol, we will see how your daughter is responding. So after few tests and all, we will be able to. You will yourself be able to see the difference and know where we are going.
The thing is, Sudhakarji, what we need to understand is it's a progressive approach. The first thing is controlling HbA1c, and understanding the root causes of why autoimmunity is getting triggered, solving that, getting on autoimmunity to the minimum and eliminating it. All of this is highly possible. I mean, completely possible. So there is no doubt in it. Just that we need to be very sure.
Hello.
Recommended. 1 second.
Hello.
So we need to be doing this, and then comes the part wherein we are trying to rejuvenate beta cells. There are a variety of factors in it, wherein we need to understand what are the current C-peptide levels, how the child has been responding over the course of the treatment, and conversion of alpha cells into beta cells is something which is possible, and there is enough research on it, by the way. But beta cells, rejuvenating beta cells, theoretically it is next to impossible. So far, our human understanding is very limited. What we are working upon is conversion of alpha cells into beta cells. Something which will again be dependent upon how the body is responding and what is the child's situation at that stage, when we reach that stage. So, at this stage, planning and advising you how the entire treatment is going to look like is impossible. So that was progress.
How old is this functional medicine in place now? Like, how old is this been treated?
So in US and all, it's been in existence for more than 20-25 years.
Okay.
I started practicing 6 years back after 25 years of my allopathy practice. And so basically in functional medicine, we work on the causes, no? So we do everything generally. So one thing which will definitely happen is your daughter will feel healthier, will feel better, will feel livelier, right? And complications we will be able to postpone a lot. Now whether we'll be able to completely get her off insulin or not, that we will have to see as we work with her.